Bihirang mapag-usapan pero seryoso at nangangailangan na ng kaukulang aksyon ang dumaraming kaso ng mga kabataang nagkaka-HIV. Yan po ang gustong tugunan ng Health Department.
Hello mga talkers, welcome to Gen Z Talks, where we tackle about real issues that matter. And our topic for today is something serious and super important. HIV cases are rising in our generation. Should you be worried? Let's talk about it. So, I'm joined by my classmate, Hans, Kenji, and Marcy. We've been studying HIV in our generation for our school project. And we wanted to share to you the most easiest way and the most understandable way. So, Hans, let's start with you. What did you find out about HIV cases in our generation?
Well, Julian, yes, medyo alarming talaga. Since the Philippines is one of the fastest growing HIV rates here in Asia. According to studies, most are young people between 14 and 34 years old. The main cause is unprotected sex and takot sila magpa-test dahil sa criticism and judgment from others.
Oh, that's right. Exactly. That fear of being judged is a big part of the problem talaga. So how about you, Kenji? When you were reading about HIV in our generation, what stood out to you the most?
For me, it's realizing that HIV is not a death sentence. With early testing and treatment, especially antiretroviral therapy, people can live long, healthy lives. Pero the sad part is, many avoided getting treated because they're scared of baka machismis sila o baka iba na yung trato sa kanila. Sometimes, the discrimination hurts more than the virus itself. Yeah.
Tama. That's true talaga na some people are worried na magpa-test. Some people are worried na magpa-test because of the judgment and chismis na pwede mag-spread around sa kanila. So that's true, yes. So, Marcy, as a student, how do you see this affecting young people like us?
I think the biggest challenge is the lack of open conversations. Nahihiya yung iba to talk about HIV or sexual health. And some still believe, like myths, HIV only happens to certain groups. That's totally wrong. And anyone can be at risk if they're not careful.
Tama. Maubos na yung kape namin kakasalita. So, maubos na yung kape namin kakasalita dito, guys. So, tama si Marcy is right. Marcy is correct na a lot of people are afraid kasi because they are getting judged. They're afraid of getting judged pala. And sometimes they still believe the old myths na pwede kang you can have HIV by doing that, blah, blah. So, let's talk prevention. Hans, what are the main ways that we can protect and prevent ourselves from HIV cases, especially in our generation?
Syempre, the basics are avoid risky sexual behavior. Second is be faithful to your partner. And last but not the least is use protection like condoms and also never share needles. And if you think that you are at risk, magpa-test ka na kasi free naman yan sa ibang clinics.
Yes, and getting treated is not nakakahiya. It's a sign that you care about yourself and the people around you, di ba?
Yes. So, very well said, Hans and Kenji. Hans said na don't share needles, and if you think na may symptoms ka na ng HIV, don't be afraid to get tested. And Kenji said na don't be afraid of getting judged kasi it's really normal. Not normal to have HIV, pero normal na magpa-test and to get checked. So, why do you think na negative attitude towards HIV are still such a big problem for our generation?
Because some people still believe old myths like you can get HIV from sharing utensils or hugging. That is 100% false.
And kindness. Someone has HIV, that doesn't define them. Tao pa rin sila, deserving of our support and respect.
Very well said, Kenji and Marcy, na 100% false yung mga old myths, and may mga studies na nag-show na HIV are hindi nakahawa, hindi ka na mahahawa sa HIV by sharing utensils na ginamit na ng ibang tao. And Kenji said na tao pa rin sila. They are still human like us that deserve respect and kindness and support. So before we wrap up, let's each share a final and warming message. Hans?
HIV is preventable and treatable. Knowledge is our first defense.
Get tested, treated, and stand against discrimination.
Talk about it, awareness saves life.
Tama. Naubos na yung kape namin, kakagive. Our coffee is empty because we give information too much about HIV. No, I'm just kidding. So, well said mga talkers. Remember, our enemy is the virus and the fake information. Let's spread awareness and not judgment. This has been Gen Z Talks with your host, Julian,
Hans?
Kenji.
Marcy.
Stay informed, stay compassionate, and see you next time. Bye!